What's up, guys? Daniel here. Is it worth it to buy a used box truck or to get a brand new one? We just wanted to get started. I work for my boss, he's my friend, and he wanted to start his authority, and I'm his driver, and this is what we bought. I'll show you what we got. We got this 2006 GMC T7500. He traded in his Harley for it, and plus $800 to equal around $8,000. 24-foot box truck with the liftgate, and let me just show you how it looks. There's the back door, a little bit beat up right here. It's really kind of beat up. There's the liftgate. I had it down because earlier I was doing something with it, but there's the liftgate. It does work. It goes all the way down, it goes up. The steps, see the step? It's like slanted in right here. This thing is falling off. We need to replace those. This one's not as crooked, but it is crooked. And sometimes when I put the liftgate up and down, it gets stuck right there. See, I've already done that right there. Kind of dented it in. But yeah, it goes all the way down. Goes all the way up. Here's the inside. It's a little dirty because I got some of my own stuff. We've got straps and stuff. It did come with that pallet jack over there. And the lights in the top are not working, so I just use a flashlight for now. That's how the inside of the door looks. It's a little bit beat up, you can see. You could even see right there, that part's falling off. We've already had to have it kind of replaced. Some of these pins fell off, and we had somebody come and fix it, and it cost $400 to fix that. And look, that part's already falling off as well. Another spot we need to fix in the floor. Maybe need to screw it down with the impact drill. So that's not too bad, but still annoying. You're buying used, you're getting used. You're getting a used product. There's the pallet jack. Let me show you a rookie mistake I made on my first load that I just did last week. So I left the lift gate down like that, and I was going through a city in Arizona, in the mountains in Arizona, and it's blocking the license plate. So I got pulled over. But the cop, it was like 2, 3 in the morning. The cop was real cool, the sheriff. He just had me lift it up. He looked at my insurance and that I was an actual company, and he let me go. So yeah, that's a rookie mistake on my part. A little bit dirty, but the tires, the tread doesn't look too bad, see? Got a nice inch, nice good inch in there. We put more reflective tape on it, and you can see there's a little bit of damage right there. Little bit of damage right there, but overall it's not too bad. We did have to repair some of those red lights on top. I don't know if you can see it. Like 2 needed light bulbs, so we repaired that. Got some more light. No, that's actually just some dirt. It could be cleaned off. But you can see just what you're getting when you get used. We did add more reflective tape all around. And yeah, there's discoloration. The paint's off right there. There's, from I guess hitting the branches on trees, you can see little scrapes and stuff. Let's check this tire. Oh, this actually has less tread than the other one. This actually has like 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, just see the way it's in. I mean, if it works, it works, but I want to show you what a used box truck looks like. This moves when I'm driving, so I need to find a way to tighten them and get it fixed because the mirrors move, and that's not a good thing. We got discoloration right here. We kind of spray painted it, but we didn't do it right, so you can still see it's discolored and coming off. I did have to change these, the windshield wipers. Look, it's already rusting. They're kind of new, like a month old. We had to fix the light, that one light right there. Just, quick, $5-10 fix for the light. The light on the right corner we had to fix. And you can see it's kind of damaged right there, that they did their own welding, or they welded that plate, those 2 plates on. They must have hit something and broke it. All right, here's the inside. The door's all right. The windows work. It's a little dirty in here. I got some of my stuff in here. My sleeping bag. Where I slept on my Dallas to Vegas trip. The air conditioner is a little bit broken right there. This thing comes off. It's not put on right. The radio does not work. There's that door. I don't know, it's missing something right there. That's my handle for now. Right there. And these things don't fully, well, yeah, it does close. It closes. This one's actually missing it. And then here's this broken screen right in the middle. Probably like a backup screen, so when you back up the vehicle, but that doesn't work. Forgot to show you guys right here where it's cracking. I don't know if it was welded before or whatever, but it cracked right there. Also forgot to show you guys, see that came off right there. It was hanging the other day. So we got that problem too. That'd be had to buy a whole new flap. Also just discovered the blinkers work. All the lights work, except when you have the lights on and you put the blinker on, it's very, very dim. You could barely see a little glitter of light. Something else that needs to be fixed. So when I went to Vegas, I was up in the mountains by the Hoover Dam. I was going like 20, 30 miles an hour up the mountain the most. That was like a top speed I hit. And then later on, after I was done, I was like, man, this doesn't seem right. When I was on the freeway, I could barely go like up to 50. I did my delivery, went back to El Paso. Instead of taking 11 hours, it took me like 16, 17 because I was going 50 the whole way. So I learned that I was probably in limp mode the whole time. And I had to change a filter. That's what we thought would be the problem, but it wasn't. Let me show you where this filter is. I changed this fuel water separator filter right here. We thought that was the problem. That wasn't the problem. But now it has a new one of these. I thought it might be this filter as well. I took it off just to check it, but couldn't really tell if it's dirty or not. So I'm gonna need to buy a new one of these. It's not hard to replace. And the engine, check out the engine, how black. See that? See how black it is? So now I'm on the other side. But believe it or not, it made it all the way back to El Paso, even if I was going 50 miles an hour. And now that I'm inspecting it, I see where the problem is. And this exhaust pipe, or whatever type of pipe it is, I'm not too mechanical, I'm learning as I go. There's this big old gash right there, and air escapes. So it makes perfect sense why I was in limp mode. Probably when I was going up the hills, the pressure was a lot of pressure, a lot of heat, and it caused that to break right there. So I made it back home. That's a good thing. Am I a rookie with mechanical stuff? Yes, I am. And God blessed me and let me come back home. So now we need to get the mechanic to fix it. You guys can decide if it's worth buying a used box truck. This was $8,000. We still got to put more money in for fixes, or to buy a brand new $30,000 box truck. This is just a video for now. I'll let you know how it goes in the future. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.